Yo, no spoilers, but like this movie was pretty fire. Like I'd rank it 8 out of 10. Cool action. Actually felt like a D&D session, to be honest. Except for like me and my buddies have no planning at all. We just try to kill shit. So, but they were planning, and it was pretty cool. Like honest, it actually felt like a good D&D session where you didn't have any dum dums who just try to kill everything like me and my friends. It was pretty good. Solid 8 out of 10. Don't forget to go buy some dice. Link in the description. Code is WHEEZE. 15% off.